Open ADF unit. Lift up the original wire harness protector film on the machine. Check for creases in the ADF CIS wiring harness. Remove the original wire harness protector film on the machine. Complete the installation of the protective film according to the installation process shown in the video. Please note that two protective films need to be installed. Protective film long installed on the back of the dead harness. Pay attention to the corresponding position of the triangle mark during installation to ensure that the triangle mark and protective film position are aligned after installation. Protective film short installed on the front of the dead harness.